In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix black screen in Adobe Acrobat. If Acrobat opens, but the page area turns black or stays blank when you load a PDF, the issue is usually related to how the app renders graphics. We'll adjust one setting that tells Acrobat to stop using your computer's graphics acceleration for 2D content, which often resolves display conflicts with certain drivers or system configurations. Start by opening any PDF in Adobe Acrobat so you can access the in-app settings. With the document open, look toward the top of the window. Depending on your version, you'll either see a three-line menu icon, often called the hamburger menu, or a traditional menu bar with options like File and Edit. Click the menu icon or click Edit to access the application controls. From there, choose Preferences. This is where Acrobat keeps all of its customization options, including display and rendering settings. In the Preferences window, find and select Page Display. This section controls how Acrobat draws pages on your screen, so it's the right place to adjust rendering behavior. Within Page Display, look for the rendering area. Here you'll see a checkbox labeled Use 2D Graphics Acceleration. Uncheck that box. Hardware acceleration can improve performance on some systems, but it can also cause black or blank screens when the graphics card or driver doesn't play nicely with Acrobat. By turning it off, you're telling Acrobat to use a more compatible software-based approach to draw the page. Once you've unchecked the option, click OK to save your change and close the Preferences window. To make sure the new setting is fully applied, close Adobe Acrobat completely and then reopen it. Relaunching the app refreshes the rendering engine, which helps the fix take effect right away. When Acrobat opens again, load the same PDF you tried earlier. The page should display normally without the black screen. This adjustment affects only how Acrobat displays content on your screen and does not modify your PDF files themselves, so your documents remain unchanged. If you notice scrolling or zooming feels slightly different, that's normal when hardware acceleration is disabled, and for most users, the difference is minimal. To quickly recap, you open your PDF, go to the menu or Edit, select Preferences, choose Page Display, under Rendering, uncheck. Use 2D Graphics Acceleration, click OK, then close.